Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the month-long inactivity. My account was facing some troubles. So now I am back and I'm hopeful to publish videos regularly. So this video is dedicated to the WIPRO NTH Phase 2 hiring coding question. So generally, two coding questions come in WIPRO hirings. This is the first question for the 1 p.m. slot. The problem says that Perfect Math is an online math program. The system displays a list of n numbers, and a value k, and students need to calculate the sum of remainders after dividing all the numbers from the list of n numbers by k. The system needs to develop a program to calculate the correct answer. So here is the format for input is given. You can see it consists of 3 lines. Let's see. The first line consists of an integer representing the size of the list. So the list size will be 5. So we can use either an array list or an array. I will use array for the program because it is so simple. And the second line consists of the value by which we have to divide the numbers in the list, that is 4. And the last line contains numbers in the list. There are 5 numbers. These are listed like so, and the output will be printed integer representing the sum of all remainders after dividing the list of n numbers by k. So we have to sum up all the remainders. The output for this test case would be 6. We can see how it is coming 6 because we have 25 modulo 4 and 1, and we have then 26. We get the remainder as 2, and then we have 54. We get the remainder of again 2, and then 81 we get the remainder as 1, and then 48, 12 fours are 48, so we get the remainder as 0. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0, that constitutes 6. So it matches the correct output, that would be 6. So I hope the problem statement and the input output and the test cases all are clear to you. It is a very rookie level program. So I'm gonna code it out right now real quick with an array. I will use an array for this program. So I'm gonna code it out right now, and I'm gonna be using the online Java compiler from online GDB. We have to take input from the user, so we have to take the scanner class. New scanner system.in. Then the first line constitutes of the size of the array or array list, whichever you take. So that I will represent it by n, and we will take the input. Then we have the number by which we have to divide the entire, every element of the array. So I will represent it by integer of k, scan dot next int. Then I have to take an array, that would be new integer of the size, that is n. I took n. Now I will take the input values arr dot length. We are gonna take array of I. Each element we have to take input from the user. Now we are going to have a function that will calculate the remainder. Calc remainder, that would be the function, and we have to pass two values like the array and the number k. So array and the number k are passed. So now we are going to write the function. So the return type would be int. Calc remainder integer array of arr and int k. Then again we are going to take traverse through each and every element of the array. So taking like so j equal to 0, j less than arr dot length, and then j plus plus, and we have to take the result. So we are taking int result and initializing it with a 0, and we will return the result from here. Return result. Now here comes the logic part. Now, as we traverse through the array, when we reach the first element, we have to perform the modulo operation, and the remainder that we are gonna get, we have to add it to the result. So, the simple one-liner logic for the program is result plus equal to j, I mean the current element of the array, modulo the number, that is k, and then we are going to return the result from the function, and we have to print out the result like so. Paste it here. So this is the final program. So let me just take you through the scenario, because we had the numbers as 25, 26, 54, 81 and 48. So let's dry run this. So we have the first number as 25. When we perform the operation of 25 modulo 4, we get the result as 1, and the result becomes 0 plus 1, that is 1. And for the second iteration, we j equal to 1, that means the second element of the array, we have 26 modulo 4. We get the result or the remainder as 2, and we have to add it to the result. So previously the result was 1, so now we get previously 1, now 2, that means 3. Now for the third element, it was, so for 54 we perform 54 modulo 4, and we get the remainder as 2 and the result as 3, now 2 as 5. So the program will go on. For 48 we will have 0, and for 81 we will have 1. So 5 plus 1, that would give us 6. Let's run it. According to the given test case, we have 5. There are 5 elements in the array, and the number is 4, and the elements are 25, 26, 54, 81 and 48. So we have to get the result as 6. Okay, so we see the correct result for that. So it is 6, and the desired output was 6. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, because I will be posting such videos frequently, exam coding questions and other programs as well. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe.